Forgot all, but when we move on to little maths, right? We shelf some of them for next lesson, but we're doing something easy with some fractions now. So we're talking about shapes. Joshua said don't really like geometry and the shapes. And tell me about a square. How many sides a square has, Joshua? Four sides. And are all of them equal or only some? All the sides are equal in a square? Equal. Very good, Joshua. Excellent. So we have this rectangle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This could be like, what's something you like to eat that might be a rectangle? You like chocolate? Yes, please. You know, mostly children into vanilla and not chocolate now, you know. I'm so glad you like chocolate. Auntie loves chocolate. So this is like a bar of chocolate. We have it cut up in 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces shaded. And since you're my friend Joshua, I will let you get the bigger piece of the chocolate. So you get him 5 of the 8 pieces, and Auntie will hold these 3 out here. So how we're going to write that as a fraction? What number we will have at the bottom, Joshua? What number we will have at the bottom of the fraction? 4. We will have number 8. The number at the bottom of the fraction is always how many pieces there are in all. Okay? Okay. So you can see the arrow, right? You can see Auntie moving the arrow there. 1. You can count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see that we have 8 pieces in all. So the number at the bottom, we call that denominator. That's very big word, but for right now, we're just going to talk about the bottom number and the top number to keep it simple. We don't need to tie up his head with those big words at the moment. The bottom number is always the total number of pieces, or we could say the whole chocolate. How many pieces we cut up the whole chocolate in. Okay? Good. The top number would always be the amount that we see that are shaded. Okay? That's the top number. So remember, another word of saying it, the top number will always be darker to the rest of it. You understand? Okay. Good. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces are shaded because remember Auntie told you, Auntie is giving you the bigger part of the chocolate. So you got a whole 5 pieces to yourself, Joshua. So the top number is going to be the part that's shaded. All right, so this one now had oranges. There are 5 oranges. 2 of the 5 are green. So we want to know how many are green. So the bottom number for the fraction is going to be the total number of oranges. How many oranges we have in all? 5. Good boy. So number 5 is going to be the bottom number. Number 2, they want to know, number 2 is the green oranges. So 2 is going to be at the top. All right, let us come here and get through these questions fast, because we're bright people. Joshua bright, Auntie bright, and Joshua even brighter. All right, Joshua boo-boo. Here we have another rectangle. How many pieces we have in all in this rectangle? 1. Tell me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces in all, right? Yes, please. Good boy. So number 4, the bottom number is always how many pieces did we have in all. Okay? The top number is always the pieces that are shaded. So how many pieces are shaded? 3. 3. So our fraction is 3 over 4. We're moving on here to this sweet circle here. This could be maybe a pizza. How many pieces we have in our pizza? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, Joshua?
Yes, please.
So what number going at the bottom?
1.
What number going at the bottom of the fraction?
4.
4. What number we put into the top? The top number is how many pieces are
1.
shaded? 1. Excellent, Joshua. We come over here. How many pieces in all?
2.
2. Good boy. 2 is at the bottom. How many pieces are shaded?
1.
1 over 2. Or we could say half. He's doing an excellent job. So proud of my Joshua. All right, we're going down, we're going down, we're going down. How many pieces? Count the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my bright boy. How many? What number going to the bottom? 5. What number is going to the top? How many pieces shaded?
2.
2. So it's 2 over 5. We over here now. How many pieces in all?
2.
2. How many pieces shaded?
1.
So how we writing this fraction?
2 goes under and 1 goes
And 1 at the top. 1 over 2, man. All right, here we go. When we have these things, sometimes it's hard to have to count when it's like this. So what you could do, take your pencil and you make a mark here so that you know you start counting here, right? And we start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Y'all can't see, but it's like a circle and all the different pieces. So you know sometimes you get mixed up. Where you start counting again? Right. So we said 8 pieces. How many shaded? How many pieces shaded?
3.
3 pieces shaded. Joshua, look at it. How many pieces shaded?
1.
This is 1 piece and this is 2 pieces, all right? So the 2 is at the top, the 8 is at the bottom. This one here is a little tricky. This is a little tricky, you know. Oh boy, let me see. All right. How many pieces? This is like a ruler that we cut up in pieces. How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is going to the bottom. Okay, Joshua?
Okay.
So we know this is 1 piece that's shaded. And you know what? Half of this piece here is shaded. Then they come over here. Half of this piece here, they try to trick you, but they can't trick Bright Joshua. Half of this piece here is shaded. So you feel if I take this half here and this other half here, that will make a hole?
Yes, please.
Right. So we're going to count the 2 of these as 1. And we already have this as 1. So we have 2 pieces that are shaded. So we're going to write 2 over 5. That was a tricky one, but they couldn't trick us. All right, this was a lot of counting, but I'm going to let you tell me this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Where are we putting this 18, Joshua? The total is 18. We put in number 18 to the top or the bottom?
The bottom.
Bottom, good boy. All right, count and tell me how many shaded.
3.
Only 3, Joshua. Look at them.
4.
4. So where we putting number 4 to the top or the bottom?
Top.
Good boy. All right, we're soon done. We just have 3 more of these. You're doing so great, Auntie. So proud of you. 3 more or 4 more? All right. So how are we supposed to know, like, is what over what? All right, let me look at the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in all. We put in number 9 to the bottom, right?
Yes, please.
And you want the top number. Which one gonna be shaded? You want the brown to be the shaded ones then? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where we put in number 5?
At the top.
At the top. Good boy. I can see if you could do one all by yourself. We soon done. You're doing so great. Tell me how many boxes we have in all.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Excellent. Where number 10 going?
Underneath.
Underneath. All right, let the dark blue be the one for up top. What number going to the top? How many are dark blue?
3.
3. So we will have 3 over 10. 2 more questions and we're all done, Joshua. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is going to the bottom. And we will have orange will be the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Where are we putting number 4?
At the bottom.
No, the total number was 8. Remember, we put 8 to the bottom already. So number 4 going to the top. But you want to know something? This one was equal because we have 4 orange and 4 green, right? So either way, we will be writing 4. We finishing off here now. We finishing strong, Joshua. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is to the bottom. And tell me these, the ones that look like this here. Tell me how many. These are oranges. Tell me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Okay, 5. So we're going to have 5 over 12. So you understand fractions. You understand that part fairly good, right, Joshua? Pretty good?
Yes, please.
How to work out was to the top and what's the bottom. My auntie's done. Auntie could stop presenting. Oh boy, auntie, stop sharing, girl. Come out to this, girl, and just look at Joshua's face. You did so great today, Joshua. So remember, auntie said that she will share with you something to do with science. Because last time you shared so great about your youth group. That was like my favorite part of the lesson. That was so sweet. So science, I said I would share something to do with nature because I like that. You want me to talk a bit about like gardening, or you want to hear a bit about bees, or you want to hear a bit about water? What do you want to hear about?
Gardening.
Gardening. You like to garden? You like gardens?
My grandma love garden.
Grand love gardens. Listen, let me start another